Hello everyone, I am going to paint this achromatic painting in watercolors this time. If you are interested in seeing how it was done, do stay with me till the end, as I am also going to talk in length about the achromatic color scheme. At the outset, this is a watercolor paper block that I am using. It has several watercolor sheets pasted on the sides and one corner is left free so that we can take out the sheets later on. And all the rest of the sides are glued together. These are very convenient to use so that we need not tape the paper down on any surface. With the use of a pencil, I have marked out simply the positions of a few roses. I am not drawing them in detail right now, and a few glass pieces behind the roses, and I am now starting with the painting. Like I said in the beginning, I am going to be painting in the achromatic color scheme. As the name suggests, it is without any chrome, which means simply that there is no chroma or any color in this color scheme. Rather, it is based on only and only the grey scale. The grey scale, which comprises of white, black and all the light and dark greys in between. Needless to say, it will be a black and white color scheme as we see in a black and white photograph. Here we could have the highlights in white, for which you could leave the white of the paper itself or use a white pigment in case you are working in opaque mediums like oils, acrylics or gouache. Since I am working in the transparent medium of watercolors, here I am going to leave the paper white for the highlights. Keeping in mind the light direction, all the surfaces against the light source will be the darkest, which can be absolutely black itself, and for the rest of the middle tones, we will be using all the light and dark greys. Although this color scheme does not have any chroma or color in it, it can give very interesting results at times. Just as a black and white photograph may still appeal to many in these times of the colored world. Like in the photographs, printouts, or paintings, apparels, etc. The achromatic color scheme can give dramatic effects as compared to colored schemes. Especially if a painting, for example, is to be hung on a dark colored wall of the interiors. Then instead of a colored painting, if you put up a painting done in the achromatic color scheme, it will definitely result in a very interesting visual. It will not only appear interesting by itself, but will also enhance the background color of the dark wall. The only place where an achromatic color scheme may not work well would be, as far as I can think of, maybe the children's areas like the play areas, schools, children's bedrooms and so on and so forth. Obviously, because children would be more comfortable with more color around them than just black and white. So as you can see in this painting, I am using only and only the black pigment and nothing else, only the water maybe. So with the help of the water, I am making the light and dark greys with the help of a little bit of black pigment, that's all. That itself is giving me different shades of grey. And so in this manner, with the help of just the black pigment and water and creating the different shades of grey, I will proceed to create these roses, and I'm also going to paint a few glass sheets behind the roses. I'm of course using the wet in wet technique to paint here. If you want to know more about these kind of various techniques that can be used in watercolors, you may have a look at the 2 videos on watercolor techniques that I have earlier on my channel. They are in 2 parts and the links have been given in the description below. Now I'm using the splatter technique to give some texture to the painting. And so that's it. Our achromatic watercolor painting is done. How did you like it? Do mention in the comments below. If you liked the video, do give it a like and subscribe to the channel too, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notifications for future videos. You may also leave your comments below as to which other works you would like to see. Also click on the end screens here to watch other videos. See you the next time.